guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am so excited for today's unboxing. I have been for the past 5 years throwing around the idea of purchasing a new Christmas tree. The Christmas tree that I've had for quite some time. It's a Martha Stewart white Christmas tree that I've had literally for like 20 years. I've gotten a lot of use out of it, and I decided that this was the year. I got a Balsam Hill Christmas tree, the one that I've been wanting for the past 5 years. It is the Denali White 7.5 foot white Christmas tree, and it's the one that has the candlelight LED lights. So it is pre-lit. If you have never heard of Balsam Hill, they have the most realistic Christmas trees on the market today. If this Christmas tree will last me just as long as my last tree, I will get my money's worth out of it. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing these two boxes. I'm going to be showing you how I put the tree together, giving you an in-depth look of what the branches look like, and all the different parts that come with the tree. If that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. For this particular tree, it comes in 2 boxes. They are labeled, so this is the first box, and this is the second box, and we're gonna open up the first box first, and it tells you which side to open them in. This is what the box looks like inside. Looks like you get a lot of things in here. So this first box comes with a storage bag, a pretty heavy duty storage bag. I would say feels like a tarp. And you get a little booklet here. I'm assuming this has instructions. Yep. Quick setup guide. So you get like a little quick setup guide. What else? Assembly and care instructions. Troubleshooting. Yeah. You know, your standard manual that nobody reads. I will be reading this though. In here, it looks like there are 2 pieces to the tree itself. And these look pretty heavy. Let's see. Wow. Comes in bubble wrap. Wow. This is pretty heavy. So this says that it's section 3. I like how the sections are marked and they're tied together with a ribbon. Oh, this one's heavy. They're both heavy. Yikes. Okay. Whew, getting a workout today. Section 1. Okay, so this must be the base of the tree. It looks like it's the largest so far, and it's pretty dang heavy. Looks like the last item in this box is a little bag. We have the base of the tree. Got your base of the tree. That feels like it's pretty heavy duty. 2 pairs of gloves. This looks like larger size and a smaller size. The reason for the gloves are to protect your hands while you are fluffing the tree branches, which is, you know, the main secret to having a full Christmas tree. Looks like you might have some tools here, little foot pads, I guess little tree hooks that hold the stand in place, little box of extra little LED bulbs, so that's always nice. That's what was in box 1. Let's go ahead and open up box number 2. Now we're into box number 2, and it looks like you get another tree bag, storage bag, same size as the other one. I can definitely see why you would need 2 of these. This tree is pretty massive. Let's see how many sections in here. We have section number 4. Section 2 is pretty massive as well. So that was box number 2, and it had section 2 and section 4. It looks like section 4 is the tree topper. I am going to start dragging these parts over to where the Christmas tree is going to be set up, and let's start piecing this together.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
On the bottom 2 sections were 2 rows of branches for sections 1 and 2. Then when you got to section 3, there were 3 rows of branches. And then when you got up to section 4, there were, I want to say, more than 4 rows of branches. Yeah, I lost count when I got up there. This is what the lights look like. There are cords that will connect each of the lights. So it does make it a little bit more difficult with the cords. I feel like if you don't get the pre-lit ones, it's probably a lot easier to branch out the branches and fluff them out. But I absolutely think these branches look so realistic. I mean, that'll give you a close-up look of what they look like. You know, they're very prickly, which I'm thankful that they gave us the gloves. I know on the larger trees, obviously they're wider. So what I've been told is kind of like deep in here, like this section of the branches on the wider trees or the taller trees, it will have like the old style tinsel tree. And then this section of the tree will be this realistic branch, but that's what they do to kind of fill up the inner part of the larger tree so that it's not all, you know, this kind of branch. I am really happy that I purchased the Denali White tree. I have been eyeing this tree for many years, like I said. After fluffing that out for all of these hours, I am exhausted. I don't think I'm going to decorate it today. So if you want to see the tree fully decorated, I will insert it. And this is what it looks like, pre-lit.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne?
That is it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. I have some other Christmas decorating videos. If you want to check that out, I will link that up here for you. I hope that you will consider subscribing below and becoming a part of my subscriber family. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.